Hello everyone. Today we're going to install VMware Fusion Pro on macOS Catalina. So let's begin. So let's open up Safari. Right, I'm going to type in VMware.com. Enter. Then we're just hover on products. Scroll all the way down until it says Personal Desktop. Click on Fusion for Mac. Then click on Download Now. What we'll do is download the Pro version. Do you want to? Yep. Give it a moment until I finish downloading. What we're going to do is we're going to double click. And double click on this. I'm going to click open and put my password. And there you go. It's installed. Good. Now I have a valid key. Yep, that's the valid key. And then click done. So it's fully activated. So this is how you install VMware Fusion Pro on macOS Catalina. Like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Peace.